Vitra introduces the new Smart WC Pan, the ultimate in personal hygiene and comfort. V-Care Smart WC Pan combines advanced functions with outstanding design, offering you superior hygiene, comfort and ease of use in your bathroom. Hands-free personal sanitation, fine-tuned to your preferences. The smart features of V-Care include 4 different washing choices: seat, water and dryer heat settings, automatic seat operation, and odor absorption. With a handset that allows you to adjust each feature exactly as you want it. This is a very special WC pan with advanced functions and stunning design. Created by world-renowned Noah Design Studio, the gentle contours of V-Care Smart WC Pan will blend in any bathroom setting and allow for easy cleaning. Let's take a closer look at some of the advanced features. One of the most remarkable features of V-Care is sensor-operated automatic seat activation. The seat automatically readies itself for you, offering you the superior hygiene that comes with hands-free use. This Smart WC Pan was designed for comfort and ease of use. The remote control of V-Care Smart WC Pan is a great asset. It has an ergonomic form that conforms to the hand and has a user-friendly interface. In addition to sensor operation, you can also use the remote control to remotely open or close the seat as well as the lid. You can activate all the functions of V-Care without touching a hand to it. The remote control offers a hygienic toilet experience to you and your family. No more shivering on the seat in cold winter days. You can set the Vitra Smart WC Pan seat to your ideal warmth for excellent comfort in every season. All you have to do is press the seat temperature button, then adjust temperature using the +- key. V-Care Smart WC Pan offers different washing options for personalized hygiene, suitable for the needs of each member of the family. Through the remote control, family members can easily adjust nozzle position for a feminine or posterior washing. Superb hygiene for women with softer water delivery, suitable for sensitive feminine parts. Water pressure, warmth and nozzle position can be set to preference. Ultra-hygienic and comfortable posterior washing for the whole family, thanks to this stainless steel nozzle that washes itself at each use. Water pressure, warmth and nozzle position can be set to preference. Oscillating water jet for a deeper cleansing. Pulsating option for more efficient washing. What is more, the 2 washing options can be combined for fine-tuned personalized hygiene. You can use this feature in the course of any washing option. All you have to do is press the water pressure button, then adjust pressure using the +- key. You can adjust nozzle position to precisely suit your needs for an efficient and hygienic washing. All you have to do is press the nozzle position button, then adjust position using the +- key. Ideal warmth of washing water tends to vary from user to user. But with the remote control of Vitra Smart WC Pan, each user can set the water to just the right degree in a matter of seconds. All you have to do is press the water temperature button, then adjust warmth using the +- key. After washing, you can enjoy gentle air drying at the temperature set to your preference and let automatic odor absorption take care of any unpleasant odors. To begin drying, just press the dryer button. To change air temperature, all you have to do is press the temperature button, then adjust warmth using the +- key. Odor absorption is automatic and does not require input from the user. You can set Vitra Smart WC Pan in 4 different power modes for optimal energy consumption. Standard. All functions are operational in standard mode, indicated by the red light on the left side of the pan when viewed from the front. Energy-saving Eco mode. This mode reduces warmth settings to minimum values, enabling more economical energy. Pressing the stop button on the remote control for 3 seconds activates Eco mode, and the light on the left side of the pan will turn from red to green. Standby mode. All functions of the WC pan are put on hold. Only the resistor in the pan continues to work to ensure minimal water warmth. This mode is recommended for those times when you will be away from home for a period. Pressing the stop button on the left side of the pan activates standby mode, and all lights on the pan will go off. To deactivate standby mode, press the stop button again. Shutdown. All functions can be shut down by pressing the button under the WC pan. This mode is recommended for those times when you will be away from home for a lengthy period. The nozzle is automatically washed with clean water before and after each use. The stainless steel nozzle has hygienic chrome coating at its tip. You can also easily remove it for manual cleaning. To remove nozzle, press posterior and feminine wash combination. The nozzle will push out for easy removal. Your guests could prefer a simplified use of the toilet, no problem. Pressing the feminine posterior washing buttons on the left side of the pan will provide the straightforward conventional washing your visitors may be more comfortable with. New Vitra Smart WC Pan. Combining advanced technology and design to bring you superior convenience, hygiene and a range of features that can be customized for each member of the family. A luxuriously refreshing personal hygiene experience in your bathroom in ultimate comfort.